Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll discuss about the evaluation and check sequence of these different strategies in BOP. As of 2020 release, we have these five strategies: win, gain, redistribute, fill, and lose. But in upcoming versions like SAP S4 HANA 2021, 2022, 2023, we have two more additional strategies are available, that is improve and skip. That means seven strategies are available in upcoming versions, but the way of it works is same only. So someone might ask that I didn't discuss about other two strategies. Okay, as of in my system, we are in 2020 version, so I'm explaining this only. We can speak about those two strategies, improve and skip, later as well, but the way of working is similar only, no change in that. Okay, now let's see what is evaluation sequence or check sequence. Okay, this is I took these two pics from Google only. Let me explain you about this. Okay, so if you see this pic here, so the orange is redistribute strategy, and the blue one is win strategy, right? So according to that parameters defined the each segment or strategy, the same order. You see, one order lies in the bucket of both the strategies. This is the one order. Okay, according to the evaluation sequence, the win will have the more priority. The win will have the more priority. That's why the order which is picked by both win and redistribute, that order will be considered as an win under the win segment only, not for the redistribute. You got my point. Okay, so that's why you see here the number of requirements in the win strategy is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and coming to that redistribute, we have 6 only. This is completely taken over by win only. That order won't be processed by redistribute strategy according to the evaluation sequence. And let me give you one more example. You see here under the same variant we have one gain strategy and two redistribute strategy under the same variant. Okay, if you see here there are four requirements in that gain strategy, and it has a sequence, it has a priority. It has top priority compared to redistribute. That's why it's in the first place. It will be processed first. This four will be processed first. This requirement will process first. And coming to the redistribute, right? If you see here, so the redistribute also the second priority, and in the under the redistribute we have two redistribute are there, two segments and redistribute, right? That's why here also it's segregated. The first redistribute will be having the three requirements, and the second will be having the four. In this case also, the same order will be processed only once, not by the two segments or strategies, as per the evaluation sequence. So, with help of these two examples, we understood that evaluation sequence will be used to segregate the requirements between the different strategies. Whenever a single order or requirement will be shared by different strategies, then system should decide that order will be processed by which strategy, right? That will be decided based on this evaluation sequence. The loose will have the top priority. The reason here is that whatever the data are required will be retrieved by the loose strategy, that will be unconfirmed, that will be released to make use of by the other strategies like win, gain, redistribute. So these three going to use that released quantities. That's why without any verification validation, simply the loose will lose all the confirmation. That's why it is given as a top priority one. Evaluation will be one. Second will be win strategy. As we know, it is the top one, and gain will be three sequence. Four will be the redistribute. Fill will be the five. Okay, this is the nature of this evaluation sequence. Now coming to the check sequence. You see the sequence is in ascending order from win only. So win has the one sequence, one place, first place, and second rank will be given to gain, third will be redistribute, four will be fill, five will be loose. Okay, the check sequence defines the order in which the strategies needs to be processed, and accordingly the quantity should be redistributed. Okay, so the check will be used to distribute the quantities here. Okay, the evaluation sequence will be used to distribute the order. Okay, whereas the check sequence will be used to distribute the quantities among the different strategies. So which win is the top priority, right? That's why the quantities will be taken from all other strategies apart from win, sorry, gain, right? It is a top priority. It has to be confirmed any cost, or else exception will arise. To resolve the exception, we are using the fallback variant concept or exception behavior, right? The two-step middle plant combination or stop completely, right? Those combinations will be used there, right? So this is the difference between evaluation sequence and check sequence. And that's it from this video, friends. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.